Hello everyone, this is Sakshi and I welcome you all to my edutech platform Way to Learn. And we are going to solve problems from mathematical physics, and topic under mathematical physics is special functions from differential equations. So there are four special functions and we are going to see the important equations and properties of those special functions, which will be very much helpful for you to solve problems in your exam. So let us start with our first special function, which is Legendre differential equation, which is of this form. Please remember all the forms of these special functions and their properties too. Or you can write two times in your formula notebook and just revise it every day on daily basis so that you do not forget these equations and their polynomials and their some of the properties. So these are few Legendre polynomials. So this Legendre polynomial will help you to find the value, and instead of deriving it, you can directly use this value in your problem question. So these are some of the properties of your Legendre polynomials, and this is the generating function of the Legendre polynomial, which is an important generating function because questions have been asked from these type of functions. And also this is the orthonormal property, and the limits from this orthonormal property tells us that our Legendre equation diverges at this point. That is, if your question is asking you that at what points does our Legendre differential equation diverge, you can directly look into your orthonormal property, take out the limits, and write that -1 and +1 are the points where our Legendre equation diverges. And these are few recurrence relations. It will be good if you just remember these recurrence relation, but if not, please try to remember the equations and the orthonormal property, generating function, and the polynomials at least. So this is the second special function, which is the Bessel's differential equation, which is given by this form. And for the first kind, the solution is given as this. There is j naught of x and j1 of x are these Bessel polynomials, and these are the properties of Bessel polynomial, and the generating function is of this form, and orthogonality is given as this. We know that orthogonality will be always equal to 0, and these are some of the properties of recurrence relation of our Bessel special function. So next is the Hermite differential equation, which is of this form, and the Hermite polynomial, few Hermite polynomials with their values, and the generating function is of this form. And the orthonormal property of Hermite polynomial is as such, and the point at which our Hermite polynomial diverges is -infinity and +infinity. And these are few recurrence relations. And next last special function is the Legendre differential equation, which has few points to remember. The one is the equation, the form, and few Legendre polynomial, and the generating function, and the orthogonal property. So I hope you write all these points in your formula notebook and revise it, so that these formula, when you revise it on daily basis, you will remember which equation belongs to which form, and you can directly answer your questions, which are going to really help you gain 3.5 marks or 5 marks at least. So I hope you enjoyed this videos. Thank you. Like my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell. So see you tomorrow. Ta-da!